जब पेड़ बहुत भारी हो जाता है तो झुक जाता है. So,
श्रीमती बिजला जी.
Thank you, Vice Chairman, sir. Madam Chair, I thank for giving me this opportunity, and I'm so happy that our Madam Chair is in the chair, and I wanted her to come back again. And yeah, women leadership, we always appreciate. And now I also appreciate our Nitin Gadkari ji, our vibrant minister for road transport and highways, for progressing in a right direction. He has called for a green, pollution-free and toiling with the based on the distance travel to be very safe, driving safe and comfortable. He has had a vision for smart infrastructure and transportation in India. And he has launched initial plantation drive of about 1,500 kilometers of national highways at a cost of rupees 3,000 crore. It's greenery plantation drive. So now he managed to increase the highway construction from 14 kilometers per day to 27 kilometers per day, a great achievement. So he has now started installing green electric vehicles, chargers in all government buildings. He has ensured that the public transportation like buses, metros or ethanol on electricity, and this is again an example and standing example for his great leadership. And also he has mandated that 1% of the total cost of the NH contract will go to the Green Corpus Fund, which for the plantation purposes. And now I am coming to the important thing is our MSME sector is poised for a mega transformation in 2020 with the launch of Alibaba-like e-marketplace, trendy yet affordable, Khadi products, which are Jairamji also mentioned, to appeal to the masses, and digital data-based credit ratings to help entrepreneurs avail loans. So it contributes, MSME sector contributes 29% to the GDP and 48% to the exports that all of them mentioned. It's an urgent need for a major reforms, policy interventions towards ensuring timely availability of low-cost credit, improving ease of doing business, and technology upgradation to take on the formidable challenge of creating millions of jobs and achieving a large-scale import substitution. This is millions of jobs can be availed through this sector. The center envisions a contribution of trillion from micro, small and medium enterprises as India becomes a $5 trillion economy by 2024. The union, our minister has also got a target of 5 crore additional jobs. India has more than 50 million small and medium enterprises which face the problem of liquidity crunch that all of us have explained. Out of this, only 15% get access to formal credit due to the trust deficit that exists, and they lack collateral. They find it as a risky investment. And for the ones who get access to formal credit, they have to wait for 4 to 6 weeks to get the loan process at a staggering rate of 16 to 14%. So I need that restructuring of these loans to help the SIC units restructuring their collateral security to pump in more financial credit to support the SIC units have to be done. And Khadi has already been, because nowadays the scenario creates a debt financing gap of 1 trillion in the market, and hence these small and medium entrepreneurs are underbanked and underserved. So I need some but please, I need one more very important point to be said. We sought a fund of 10,000 crore to buy equity up to 10% for small business. But the major affected is the textile industry and Tirupur, Coimbatore district. Actually, we appeal to the Prime Minister. We appeal to the Minister for Road Transport and Highways, especially the MSME, to give 1 year moratorium for repayment of principal and interest amount to enable the textile and clothing industry. This I have to mention before our Minister for Finance, but through our Minister for MSME, I wanted to take it to the Minister for Finance to give 1 year moratorium period for repayment of principal and interest amount to enable this textile and clothing industry. Tirupur, Coimbatore, Erode, Namakkal, and all parts of all these mills, textile mills, are suffering from. What are they suffering is the major things are they are in a panic situation now, because most of this are because of the coronavirus. The employees are all migrant employers from different states. They have come here from far off places, are using public transport. So the scenario now is constant preventive measures being taken, but all that is right. But they are now, the migrant workers wanted to return to their native homes. So the situation is intensified and result in mass stoppage of production in the industry, steep reduction in demand due to sudden stoppage of exports, imports, and also domestic sale due to the closure of malls, retail showrooms. All that major showrooms, malls are closed. The industry is likely to face unprecedented and severe loss due to, and they need immediate financial relief and mitigate the crisis. And I request through the Honorable Minister for MSME to appeal to, on behalf of these MSME groups, I appeal to the Finance Minister for seeking financial measures, including 1 year moratorium, to help MSMEs to overcome this crisis. Thank you, Madam, for giving me this opportunity.
सदस्यगण की चर्चा